top-notch performance? The Robotic V2's robot vacuum cleaner adopts 360-degree anti-collision and comprehensive, intelligent drop sensor safety technology with anti-scratch glass top cover for protection. This robotic vacuum is perfect for cleaning from hardwood floor to low-pile carpet. Brilliant connectivity by smartphone app. Robotic vacuum cleaner provides strong suction 1500 pascals both on floors and carpet, with a maximum runtime 100 minutes, noise level is less than 58 dB. High-capacity battery and auto-charging. The Robotic V2's robotic cleaner seeks the charging dock automatically after it finishes or on low battery. Built-in rechargeable battery allows for 100 minutes of cleaning before auto-returning to the electric charger. Powered by a 4400 mAh high-capacity Li-ion battery, the vacuum cleaner supports up to 100 minutes powerful suction cleaning.